If your microphone isn't working in Google Chrome, enabling the correct permission usually fixes the problem. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn on microphone access so you can use voice search, online meetings, and recording features without any issues. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. In the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security, then select Site Settings. Scroll down to the Permissions section and click Microphone. Under Default Behavior, select Sites can ask to use your microphone. This allows websites to request permission whenever they need microphone access. If you have more than one microphone connected, use the drop-down menu at the top to select the microphone you want Chrome to use. If a website was previously blocked, scroll down to the Not allowed to use your microphone section, select the website and change its permission to allow. Now, visit the website that needs microphone access. When Chrome displays the permission prompt, click Allow to let the site use your microphone. If your microphone still isn't working, make sure your operating system has also granted microphone access to Google Chrome, then restart the browser and try again. That's how to enable microphone access in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.